slide on me and like to get it poppin'. But these bitches in my business cut me off to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You know what I'm saying?
Hey guys, if you're new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to teach you guys how to get your hair from looking like this to looking like this. Second gorgeous face. Now, just a disclaimer, I am wearing a wig. I got it from my local beauty supply store, and I don't remember the brand. This is the crimping iron I am using. The brand is called Red, but I will link it in the description. For the settings, I do have it on 360. Now, what I like to do is start from the bottom towards the top. So I did section a piece from the bottom, and I clipped the rest of the hair out the way. After that, I made sure to brush through it. Ensure yourself that there is no tangle. I grabbed my crimper, and I just started it from the top. Get as close as you can to the root. I could have gotten closer, but honestly, I was scared to burn myself, and I didn't want to take that risk. Another warning, this shit does get really fucking hot. So please be sure to wear a glove that is going to protect your skin from the heat. Here, I am actually using a motorcycle glove my husband used to ride, but he doesn't ride anymore, and it worked really well. I was able to hold it better and had more control. Anyways, here's what it looks like. It looks really cute. Now all I did was just repeat the process. And y'all, I am so sorry about my babies in the background. It is literally 9 o'clock in the morning. We are getting ready for church, and one thing about my babies, they are going to wake up in the morning and talk their asses off. It did take me a few hours to do this, I am not going to lie, so I'm really glad that I woke up earlier in the morning to do this. I don't really like to crimp my hair because how long it usually takes me, but this took 2 hours to do, literally. I learned to just do bigger sections. It did speed up the process, but it also made the hair look better as well. And I did hold it for 10 to 15 seconds before moving the iron down. And that shit looks so fucking pretty, y'all. Like, oh my gosh. If I had the patience, I would curl or crimp my hair like this every fucking day if I had the patience. Another tip that I do want to mention, when you're crimping your hair, don't put the weight of the crimp like on the strand, if you know what I mean. Don't weigh down the strand with the crimper, because then it will just stretch out the crimps and then it loses its point. You have to hold it up so it can stay like that. Anyways, y'all just watch me finish that side. I did the other side off camera because it literally took me an hour to do both sides each. So this is how it looks. Now I am going to go ahead and go in my hair with this oil, and I put a little bit of it on my hands, not too much, and I kind of just rubbed it through the hair. Like that's literally all that I did. And here are the results. That is literally how it came out. It came out so cute. I am not going to wear this to church, obviously. I'm going to change, but this came out so fucking cute. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe, follow me on all my socials. It's your girl, I Spy Aarius, and we out, babes.